Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I wrap and decorate my presents. First of all, I want to show you some of the tools I'm using. I bought this new tool from Hobby Lobby, and it cuts the paper and then it curls the ribbon here, and then you can press down on the tape like this and it'll make it kind of disappear. But it's a really neat little tool. And I got several different kinds of wrapping paper from Hobby Lobby. I love their wrapping paper because it's thick and then it has the lines so you can cut straighter lines. Okay, so I've already cut this, but I'll show you how this tool works. You just simply put it through there, down flat, and then just cut like that. Really simple. Okay, and then I'm just using this gift wrap tape, and I went ahead and pulled off a bunch of pieces and put them around my tape dispenser so they're handy. And I've got the box on lines to help me keep it straight. And I just do a very old-fashioned, very simple wrap. I always tape to the box, that way you can keep it centered, and then pull it tight. And I pull that tight. And then I use my handle to go like this, and it just makes it disappear so you can hardly see it. Okay. And then I always like to go right here where the two pieces meet and put a piece here and then pull it down tight and tape it to the box. And then you can do your sides. And I like to do it either like this or to do it like this way and then go down. Either way. Okay, just put some tape on that. Again, pull it tight and then crease. And then I just flip it up and start working on the other end. And this one I'll show you this way. And again, put those together and tape those to the box like that. Oops, I messed up my tape. And just pull it tight because you don't want it to have a big wrinkle there. That down real tight, and you can use double-sided tape and move it, put it on the inside, but it's a little bit more of a pain. I just prefer to do it like this, and this tape disappears pretty good. So I'm just doing this, and as you can see, it's not easy to see that. Okay, now I'm going to flip over and finish this side. I'm going to pull it tight. And then just rub it real quick. And here is the best tip I can give you. Just go around your edges and just pinch all the way around the edges. See that? See, here's one that I didn't do. I don't know if that's showing up very well on camera, but it just makes a big difference. It makes it look so professional. Okay. I'm going to take some gold deco mesh, and I'm just going to tie that on there. got this piece of ribbon here. This is wired ribbon. And I save all these ribbons after Christmas. I don't throw any of them away unless they're just torn up. And then I take them and I keep folding them over themselves like this. Push them down flat and then store them in a box until next year. And then they're all nice and straight. Okay, so I'm going to make a little bow. You just want to pinch and twist. Keep repeating that. Keep going the opposite direction. And I'm not going to worry about how even they are or anything. Okay. Now that's another little piece. Oh, before I got some curling ribbon I want to add to this too. I don't know if I can push those in there. I'm going to show you how this tool curls ribbons too. So there's the top of it, and you have to do it with the top facing down, and I don't know if you can see that little ridge right there. That's what's going to curl the ribbon. So if you just hold it and go like that, it curls it. That. I'm gonna twist this and add that to there. So I just want to add 3 pieces of this to the center. I'm going to twist this really tight. And then I'm going to wrap it around there. Little twist. And they should be able to just slide that off. It won't be a big deal. But I always like to put wired ribbons on my packages. I don't like to put the cheap little bows that you buy in a package. I just think they're so ugly. And it's just so simple to really customize each package and make them look so beautiful. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.